Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, this is James with the Chart Guys. It's Tuesday, August 7th. Going to do my nightly video on oil. So oil, I'm starting to use the US oil chart. And the reason why is because I've noticed this clear resistance line, and you can see, again, I talked about it in last night's video on the hourly. You can see one, two, three, about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 candles that have been hitting that resistance line, that 69.89, 69.90 area as clear resistance, and you can see that after this pullback, bulls were unable to break that resistance, and then had a big time pullback all the way down here before we had a bounce. And on this bounce so far, we're still rejecting there, and then today we had a lower high here. And so in inventory reports, that's going to be the clear measure of strength for me if bulls can break this resistance line and hold above it, above 69.90. So 69.89, 69.90, I want to see a clear break above that line for continuation for the bulls, and see the bulls hold above it. So what you don't want to see is an inventory report reaction that breaks above it. You know, you can get an initial spike for a minute and then boom, drop back down. I want to see it sustain above this clear resistance that's been resistance for some time on the hourly now. So that's going to be the key for inventory reports in my opinion. And looking at the 4-hour right now, we have potentially a little bit of a equilibrium pattern with a high, a low, a lower high, potentially a higher low forming. It looks pretty weak here. We have to let that play out a little more. Let me zoom in here. And so besides that resistance, the first resistance we have here is going to be at 69.80. That's not going to really matter to me if we break above that until we break this clear resistance zone. And we have support. First support we have is at 68.96, and then down here at 68.74, and then here at 67.85. And you can see that on the 4-hour we're still holding to higher lows here. So as long as we stay above this 66.90, it would be my absolute must hold on US oil. So looking at the daily US oil, looks a little toppy there as well on the daily. We have few tops in that area. So I want to see on follow through breaking of this resistance, and after we break it, if we're able to break it tomorrow, a break of this daily high here, of the bounce high so far attempt at 70.41. And again, that support all the way down here at 66.95 is going to be that must hold area. So 66.95, actually didn't notice these candles. Let's see what these lows were. Okay, so we've already broken below that. So 66.95 is going to be our must hold support on the daily. Looking at the weekly, again, still higher lows on the weekly. Bulls still in charge as long as we can hold above 63, 62. It doesn't matter how much we consolidate in this area. We could go back and forth in a range all we want to, but that would just be a trading range. And to start looking bearish for a swing, for me, this weekly support here at 63, 62 needs to break. Probably that's the same support for the monthly as well for me, is going to be this area at 63, 62. So have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.